Well, hello there. This is Skip McCoy with Riversoft, and today I'll be speaking about our step-by-step approach for automating your agency. You can see from the blueprint the Riversoft Office automates most major operational component of a home care agency. So you're probably curious about how do we automate your agency and how long does it take? Well, here in Riversoft University, if you go to Going Live with Riversoft Step by Step, and I'll make this a little bit bigger for you, we have a two-phase approach, and each phase has, the first phase has 4 steps and the second phase has 2 steps. The basic automation takes about 3 weeks. The next phase is optional, but it's the optional use of Elvis for telephony, and then other features that aren't in the core automation, and some agencies will use all of them and some will use some of them. But the first phase is by far the most important, and it's the basic automation. The very first step is an installation that happens on day 1, and we will install Riversoft either on your server or in our cloud, and we'll have a discussion with you on how you're going to use Riversoft Mobile, either in native or distributed mode or a combination of the two, and we'll go through the aspects of each one so you can make that decision. We'll then show you the videos to watch to get prepared for this quick step. And then we'll show you how to access the system and configure the office, users, payers, pay rates, and bill rates. We'll then leave you alone so you can complete the configuration of your offices, users, payers, and pay and bill rates. And then you're going to start using some of these reports in order to help you with that. When that's over, we're going to view the information and let you go to step 2. And this normally happens the same day or the day after. But you're going to be watching a few videos to train you on how to input employees, patients, and schedules. And once you've watched those videos, you'll begin entering your employee demographics and pay rates, your clients and your patients, your facilities, and then you'll enter the schedules for all of those. While you're entering the schedules, you'll be learning the employee search function, the phone log, and the phone log report. And you'll start to use the client dispatch reports, the employee dispatch reports, and the timesheets. Or you'll start looking at Elvis to automate those 3 things for you. Step 3, that's in week 2. We're going to start getting your electronic medical record going, and we do that by working with your clinical supervisor first. They're going to watch a batch of Riversoft Mobile videos, and then they're going to take a comprehension test and send that to Riversoft. We're going to review that test and activate your Riversoft Exchange service. That turns on Riversoft Mobile. You'll then start distributing Riversoft Mobile to your users after they've taken the same comprehension test, because you don't want to turn them loose in the field with a electronic medical record system until they've got some confidence in how the whole thing's supposed to work. And that's exactly what these videos do. They'll watch these videos, it's a couple hours worth of videos, take a test, takes about 15 minutes to take, then you'll have confidence that they've got confidence that Riversoft Mobile is going to work for them. As more and more of your users start using Riversoft Mobile, you're going to start reviewing their work using the clinical review function, the medical records screen, and then you're going to start using things like the medication profile report, and you're going to start tuning Riversoft Mobile for your agency using configuring pathways, note warnings, note pages, and again, all that's covered using videos. Then you'll begin using the Export 45 and VO, so you can send those care plans out to your doctors for signatures. You're going to export OASIS to the state and export HCAHPS to your vendor. And then you begin using the patient census and patient admission discharges reports. That's all happening on week 2. Okay, week 3, we're going to concentrate on billing. And we start that with the close week process. So you're going to watch a series of videos, and then we are going to actually show you and be with you when you close that week for the first time, and when you create your invoices and claims for the first time. We're going to make sure that every payer you have set up is creating the invoices correctly and the claims correctly, and if they aren't, we're going to reconfigure your payers so that does happen automatically for you. We'll work with you to transmit your first claims using 837 files. And then you'll begin using the Manage Invoices function to print invoices to your self-pay clients and to perform adjustments. And then you'll start using some of the other features in billing, the unbilled report, the sales report, statements, payments and cash application, and processing remittance advice for 835 files. And you probably won't have an 835 file that first week. You probably get one the following week. You can either try doing that yourself or give us a call and we'll walk you through it. But every one of these features has an I button, and there are videos in the I button that shows you how to use it. So in just 3 weeks, from start to finish, the core business operations in your agency will be automated. After that, we'll just be tuning that automation. But step 5 in phase 2 is getting the most of Riversoft, and that's going to some of the other features that aren't in the basic automation, like Elvis. Elvis is our smartphone application for your aides that automates the timesheets and the schedules. It just appears on their phone. So it's smartphone telephony. You can evaluate if that's going to work for your agency. Step 6 is using the other features in Riversoft Office. Some agencies are going to use every single feature. Some are just going to use some of these, but you should go through and evaluate each one to see if it's going to bring value to your agency. So, starting at the top, it's a 2-phase automation approach. The first phase is 4 steps. You're done in 3 weeks. The second phase can be done at your leisure. That may take 2, 3, 4, or 5 weeks after the phase 1 is done. But it's really a very straightforward approach to getting your agency automated. When you're ready to get rolling with Riversoft, give us a call and we'll take you through this step-by-step approach, step by step. This is Skip McCoy signing off.